Hi guys, hope everybody finds themselves well today. I am super excited to show you something that I have been trying to do since, I'm going to say, the beginning of fall. I've been eyeing a Heuchera wreath, a live Heuchera wreath actually, that I got so inspired by going through Instagram. So I follow an Instagram account from Carmen Johnston Gardens, and she is a landscape designer. So she has the most beautiful things on there and ideas, and I love her style so much. So I always try to find something that I can learn from there and, you know, add to our home. So I love making my own wreaths, but I've never made a real life one. So the reason I'm gonna go with a real life one this time is because usually we have a garden and we have all these things going for us for winter especially, but how we just moved here, we don't have that going on, and I want something for this door back here. Now it's a little late for fall decoration, but I am looking to make this one I want to see something through our window for Thanksgiving. We have a huge window right there, right in back of the camera, where we sit down and have our dinner table. So I would love to be able to view for it to have the wreath. Now we have a tree up there. The reason why I want to go with a live wreath is because we have a tree, a beautiful maple tree that's been putting on the most beautiful show, especially for fall. And I really didn't care for the door to have anything, but it's losing its leaves now, and I just wanted to have something to look at so pretty. And I know I'm gonna change the wreath, guys, on Christmas, you know, for Christmas decor, but I'm thinking, you know what, I will be using these Heucheras. Once I remove that other Christmas one, I'll make sure, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna put this one back. Now, what kind of Heucheras did I get? This one's called Caramel. It's just beautiful, very pretty color. Underneath it has a reddish, I want to say reddish purple, guys. And then this one right here is Palace Purple Coral Bells. I was hoping to find them all in this size, but it's pretty hard out there right now to find plants that are in smaller containers. So we'll work with what we have right now. And then I found this other Heuchera, which I think is my favorite from all three. It's something watermelon. Let me make sure to find the tag to give y'all the correct name. Where did I leave the tag? So this one's called Carnival Watermelon, guys. Carnival Watermelon. It's so pretty. I think this is what will go back to the house, to the red color of the house, of the garage. So it's really big, and I'm gonna have to fit the root balls into this. I went ahead and ordered this through Amazon, so we'll make sure to leave a link down below. Also, we'll leave a link down below on where you can find information over Carmen Johnston Gardens. But we found this on Amazon, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to do this, put it through this side and not use the top. So for now, what I'm gonna do is take most of the soil off of the Heuchera's roots, and I'll help it along with some Biotone. Now these are hardy 4 through 9, the Heucheras. We're in a zone 7B, so I think they'll be pretty good. They'll do real good. I don't think I'm gonna have to move it away from the door and put it into the garage or anything at all. They're pretty hardy plants. So let's go ahead and start it, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the soil off of the roots. So I already went ahead and took the soil off of the root balls. I was very careful not to mess with the roots. I've done this before with other plants to fit them in containers, and they did great. So I don't think there'd be a problem with the Heucheras staying, you know, I don't think I disturbed the root. But in here, I'm gonna go ahead, in the wreath, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a light layer. I went ahead and put in here some of my Espoma soil, and I'm just gonna do a very light layer because I still left enough soil on the root balls. of the Heucheras. What I do want to do is, even though it's around fall and a lot of the plants are going, you know, to sleep right now, I am going to use some of my Biotone starter. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit in there just so it can help it root. And just mix it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and start with this one right here. I think this one's a caramel one. It's getting very windy now out here, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and go with one of the small ones. Which I think it was called purple. I forget the name, guys. This one right here is the watermelon one. So pretty. Once again, a dark one. And I'll be messing with it until I get it right. And now I can go, I think, with another caramel. So I'm going to go ahead and slant them a little bit to the outside because I can't see the middle of the wreath. I don't want to break them, so I got to be very careful. And I'm going to fill in with a little bit of soil still. There's still room for a little bit more. Okay guys, I had to go grab some glasses too because it got pretty windy right now and got some dirt in my eyes. I couldn't see. So I went ahead already and filled them all in, filled in with some soil, extra soil. And I'm gonna go ahead and tie the plants down with some fishing wire. What I did was tie the fishing wire to a little part of the wreath, of the metal. And then I'm gonna go through the plants, go underneath. I did that part already. And then just go through every plant. Make sure that it doesn't come out. And I'm just repeating the same thing over and over with the fishing wire. Okay guys, so this was fun putting the fishing wire through here. It's getting chilly out here, so my hands are like really cold, so that was a hard part, but I'm about to be done. I'm just gonna tie it one more time to secure it. Make a little knot right there. Okay, so I got it done and I am actually very, very happy with it. Yeah, I wanted it before fall ends for Thanksgiving, and I think I'll be using this right after the holidays. You know, there's nothing else to put up after, what is it, when you remove your Christmas wreath, so thinking this one is gonna come right back out. I'm very happy with it. I had a hard time doing the fishing wire just because it's getting chilly out here, so my hands were feeling a little numb, but I got it through and it was good. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the door hanger, the wreath hanger, through here, the back. And how I have the fishing wire on it, the soil won't spill out. Now how am I gonna water it? I could water it from the top. It's not, I don't think I'll damage it really bad, but I don't want a lot of the soil to come out. So when I do water it, I'm probably just gonna sit it on something to water. And something that I forgot to explain to y'all before we started the video is that I did have the Heucheras watered a couple of hours before, so they were already nice and moist. It's nice and moist in there. I don't think I have to do that right now. And honestly, it's getting a lot cooler out here, so I'll be checking it because of the wind. It can dry out where it's in, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably just have to water it once in a while. I'll keep an eye on it though. But I know it's pretty late, guys, for a lot of y'all up north, especially up north, to do fall projects right now. I just wanted it, like I said before, Thanksgiving came, and it was something that I really wanted to do. I just took a while to gather up the things, and that's why I'm doing it right now. But I'm just so happy that I'm gonna be able to at least enjoy it for that little bit of time when Thanksgiving arrives. And it's something for y'all to have in mind just in case you want to go ahead and try it for next fall. I'm still going to put this thing out, on this beauty out in after Christmas, if you know, I think the weather will be okay. We lived in North Carolina and I had Heucheras in containers, even in baskets, and they did great. So they kept their foliage. So it is a zone lower here, 7B, so I don't know, I am noticing a big change in the weather. But before I keep rambling on, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go already, and I hope y'all enjoyed this very much. We're gonna go ahead and hang it so y'all can see how it looks on the door. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. Bye.